Everyone, I have a couple really special things to show you this week. I was contacted by Mattel Hot Wheels to receive a couple pre-release items that were going to debut very recently at the San Diego Comic-Con. And I said, absolutely. I've collected Hot Wheels pretty much my entire life, but 164s are new to the channel. Sounded like a great opportunity, so here we are. So the San Diego Comic-Con is the OG. It is the original. It's the one that kicked off everything, and it's actually been around for decades and decades and decades. And the first item they showed as a pre-release is this Stranger Things set to celebrate the 10th anniversary of the release of the show, which is crazy, 10 years already. And it features a pretty unique scene from season 1 with the Hawkins van and all the main characters on their bicycles, it's a really cool scene. I've never really seen anything quite like it. But yeah, really, really neat. I think this is available now for pre-release, from pre-order. The box artwork is really awesome. And the suggested retail is only going to be about $30, which seems pretty reasonable to me. Full disclosure, I, of course, were sent these samples to keep for free, so at that price, as I say, I'm not mad at it. A little bit of a write-up about Stranger Things. The van shown is a 1983, known as, quote-unquote, the Hawkins van. And you've got, again, the characters. You've got Mike, Eleven, Dustin, and Lucas, all on their bicycles. Really cool. I don't know, has Hot Wheels done bicycles before? Maybe. Really neat. So the outer packaging, just, Netflix, Stranger Things. These don't appear to be individually numbered. Licensed by General Motors, my employer, you might know. I'm a sculptor and designer at General Motors. But yeah, really cool. And I don't know what to do with this. I think I'm going to keep it, and I'm going to keep it sealed. Maybe it'll be a giveaway someday for, my 100,000th subscriber, something neat like that. Next up, also really, really neat. This is the Top Gun anniversary set from the Top Gun movies. There's been 2 so far. Obviously, the original Top Gun, which I think was 1986, and Top Gun Maverick, which was maybe 2022, 2023. Yeah, this is, again, I don't know how often Hot Wheels has done planes. This shows the famous scene in the movie of the inversion, which is pretty cool. It features the F-14 Tomcat and the MiG-28, and a famous quote from the movie, "Watch the birdie." And it's the 2 kind of main characters. We have on the outer packaging, it tells you Goose's character, which was played by Anthony Edwards from memory, and Pete Mitchell, known as Maverick, which is the Tom Cruise character. So that's the outer package. And then the lid is also really cool because it kind of features the artwork you would have seen on Maverick's helmet. Really neat. Packaging is really good. And you've got a nice metal little base there. Really neat. Suggested retail on this is going to be $35, which again seems pretty worth it. Like I said, I received this sample for free, so again, at that price I'm not mad at it. But honestly, at $35 it feels worth it. It feels quality to me. But you know how these limited edition Hot Wheels go. People are going to try and flip it for substantially more. I've already seen on eBay, people are trying to sell some early samples like these for 2 to 3, 4 times as much. But it's kind of the nature of collecting cool things like this. But yeah, if you can, and this interests you, I recommend you get in on the pre-order. I think they're pretty neat, and I think they're only going to skyrocket. Like I said, they're already flipping on eBay. But yeah, that's it for this week. Everyone have a good one. Please like and subscribe.